Let's explore the significant differences between metal roofs and traditional shingles, focusing on quality and environmental impact. Conventional asphalt shingles might seem like the norm, but they come with a substantial environmental cost. Every year, millions of tons of these petroleum-based shingles are disposed in landfills and contribute to the pollution of our environment. They take 20 to 50 years to decompose. Asphalt shingle production isn't much better, utilizing energy-consuming resources when most shingles don't even last 20 years. Metal roofs redefine the narrative. Not only do they outperform shingles in durability and performance, but they're also environmentally conscious, crafted up from 100% recyclable materials. Our metal roofs can be repurposed at the end of their life cycle, reducing waste and lessening the environmental burden. While traditional shingles deteriorate over time, beginning from the day installed, Gator metal roofs last decades and is backed by a real lifetime warranty. Gator metal roofs require minimal maintenance. Traditional shingles demand periodic repairs and replacements, contributing significantly to environmental waste and higher costs over the span of its lifetime. At Gator Metal Roofing, we're not just about superior quality, we're committed to conserving energy. Our metal roofs provide a durable, eco-friendly, and sustainable alternative to petroleum-based asphalt shingles. Choose Gator Metal Roofing for a roofing solution that not only elevates your home's protection, but also contributes to a greener, more sustainable future for our planet. Schedule your free estimate today.